A by V square should be same as dimensions of P, because we are adding two terms, means both the terms must represent same quantity. That's what the homogeneity says. And so dimensions of A by V square should be same as dimensions of P. So now of this, dimensions of A by V square should be same as dimensions of pressure. Therefore, dimensions of A equal to dimensions of PV square. Say equation 1. Then also in this second term, dimensions of B should be again same as dimensions of V. Dimensions of B should be same as dimensions of volume. Then only this equation is validated. So some quantity we are subtracting from volume means that quantity should also represent volume. Therefore, already we got it, equation 2, let's say. So now whatever the term that is asked, we can obtain it. Sometimes the product may be asked, AB, sometimes A by B may be asked, sometimes B by A, as now in this case. So therefore, dimensions of B by A are now equal to that of